What is going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we are waking up in beautiful Apple Valley, in the middle of the desert. The desert is actually one of my favorite places to wake up. How about you?
It's quite gorgeous. It's a little cold though.
It's a bit nippy. We got in at around 2 in the morning. We drove about 5.5 hours from the Central Coast over to the Apple Valley. It's a nice Sunday morning.
Quite nice.
Now here's Justin with the weather.
Well, you see, we've got a little bit of a eastern wind coming this direction. I'd probably say, I don't know, about 15 knots. And it's clear for now. Probably gonna get a little overcast later. So.
Well, we're gonna go wake up everyone else. It's 7:30-ish. I don't know. I woke up at 6 and I was just like, yeah, I'm sick of sleeping.
Yeah.
We got the whole squad this morning. There's Isaac being fucking shy. Gino's in his tent. Why are you still trying to go to sleep?
No, I'm trying to stay awake.
You're doing a terrible job.
I'm awake, I haven't fallen back asleep. Shots?
Yeah, Hayden's basically an alcoholic.
And a chain smoker.
Yeah.
Fucking Taylor. It's all his fault.
Good morning.
Yeah.
How is sleeping in your fucking tin can last night?
So it was great until the wind blew the door open and it slammed and it woke me up.
It woke me up too. I woke up, looked in the mirror and saw your door open. I was like, oh,
Yeah.
that looks cold.
It wasn't cold. And then I tried to shut it and it blew open again. And I tried to shut it and it blew open again. So then I gave up and I just covered myself with my blanket and went back to sleep for another hour.
Polo. Wow, this really nice hammer. Look at that. Ooh. Hey. Good morning.
Good morning.
So we got 3/4 of everyone out here right now. Duncan's on his way out here from Tehachapi because he has family over there, so he gets a nice place to sleep at night when we come out here. Hi.
Hi.
I hope the shyness resonates on camera because that was sad.
You know what else is sad?
How short you are?
Oh, little sleep we got.
You got.
Yeah.
I slept for like 2 hours.
Nice.
It's just about average. Oh, there we go. That's where Hayden slept last night. But yeah, so we're out here for an event over at AVS. It's the first time I've been out here since they refinished the track.
It's a nice track.
We're inside the gate. We like this little, well, now there's a Hunt and Go logo, but we like this little awning area down here at the bottom of AVS. Everyone else usually fills up the pits up. But we come down here because it's nice and quiet and kind of removed. I guess it's not quiet, but it's right next to the big entry and there's a table.
Yeah. What he said.
Yeah, I'm taking pictures of you.
Yeah, I'm taking pictures of you too.
Yeah, I'm taking a lot of pictures of you.
Yeah.
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 Okay. You you get in the car without your keys?
Yeah.
That was great.
Woo!
Yeah, that's decent. I mean, I didn't sleep too well, but we got to sleep in a
Track's hot. Well, track's cold right now because someone went through the tires on the other side and they're fixing the barrier on turn 4. But track's hot. Everyone's getting ready to go out. Duncan and Gino rolled up. We raised Gino's car a little bit, and now I'm gonna help this guy bleed his hydro so he can have a good time. And yeah, the day has started. Tri-tip's cooked. Things is on and popping. That is a damn pretty Miata. I don't like Miatas because of that reason that just went by. They sound terrible, but that one's pretty. Look at these fucking glasses. A little bit of a lunch break slash track cleanup because everyone keeps going off and dropping tires and dust is going everywhere, and I mean it's ABS, so you kind of just expect it to be a dust bowl most of the time, but getting a little bit too much, I guess. And they're trying to take care of the new track. They just freshly paved it. I mean, I think it's been maybe a month since it's been reopened, so.
Hi, Dylan.
Hi.
Can I say hi to the camera?
Sure.
Hi.
There's Gino. Don't worry about it. You're not allowed up here. I jumped.
He has flying powers.
I'm magic. But yeah, so everyone's doing really good. Gino's getting it down. He's getting the hang of it. Duncan's getting the feel of his ankle kit. Eric's starting to link this whole section coming through off turn 5, 4. And following Hayden, and Hayden's just Hayden, so he's leading the pack. It's a bit windy out, so I apologize if the sound quality is do this. But I found a nice little dope spot, and I'm gonna hang out up here and get some high angles of turn 1 and pretty much the whole course.
Easy.
Wins.
Perfect, buddy.
Now it's Eric's turn.
But he was like my son.
I'm bummed the last session of the day got
Yeah, that was fucked.
shit on.
Probably lost an hour of driving. Probably lost a total of 2.5 hours of driving today because of how many people fucked up somehow cleaning the track. People getting stuck in beach because they kept fucking going off track.
Yeah.
But it was fun.
I had a good time. I didn't even get to ride with you.
I know, I'm sorry.
I only got cool footage from Eric's car of you driving. What? I got the car! Woo! Yours coming off the trailer. So, I made sure to get everyone's trailer
gangs this time too, like damn.
right?
Now I know.
Good day.
Good
Very
day.
good day.
Good day.
Very good.
Cinder.
Cinder, good day.
Good day.
Can you high five?
Yeah. I'll take that.
Sit.
I got a nose boop on the hand.
That's good.
Don't forget your bumper.
Oh, yes.
It's in
Needs
Hayden's.
to go into the vehicle.
Good day.
Messy hair. Good day.
You hot though. You hot as fuck. Well, that concludes another successful fun day at
Fuck.
AVS.
Oh, I interrupted. I'm sorry. Fuck yeah!
Isaac had a great time, you can tell. He's not having a bad time at all.